today I'm going to be talking about the black-headed ibis which you see on your screen right now. So the black-headed ibis, I'm going to tell a bit of facts about it. So the black-headed ibis's scientific name is Theraschionis melecephalus. They live in the lowland sections of Sri Lanka. The size of the black-headed ibis is 69 centimeters. They live in marsh and wetland, wet fields in lowlands, often feed on in paddy fields when they have just been plowed or have lawn fallow. Prey composite changes from soil developed invertebrates to small animals and invertebrates that are on dry soil. Interestingly, G.M. Henry described it as large nocturnal, but I have never thought of it as have. The distribution is widespread in lowland, ascending to mid-hills. The status is resident, is described as a black head and neck and white body, dowled bill. So that's just a brief explanation about the black-headed ibis. I told you all that facts from the Birds of Sri Lanka book by Gehan de Silva, which is there, right there. So yeah, so that's a bit of a brief explanation. So on this photo you see the black-headed ibis. You see 4 black-headed ibises up in front, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other smaller birds that look like black-winged steels. They're probably black-winged steels at the back. So yeah, so that's what you see right there. Wait, let's get rid of that real quickly. So yeah, so that's all you can see in this photo. You can see behind it you have a pathway there. This is where we walk in the morning. There are many birds there. I have many different other pictures. I will show you guys that later. So I hope you like this little scene there. This is going to be attached to the main video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys like this episode on wetland birds. I guess it is only about the black-headed ibis. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye. Take care. Bye.